Hi guys, look at the view. I'm in Aleenta Hua Hin hotel, and in this video I'm gonna give you a review about small luxury hotel in Hua Hin, Thailand. It's amazing here, believe me. Just on the seaside, there are only 30 rooms at the hotel, and it's actually a small luxury property. I absolutely loved it. I have an amazing big view with a huge terrace and the sea view. Comfortable to sleep on a big bed under the sound of the waves, and once I come out on my massive terrace I can feel the breeze from the sea. So let's go and I'll show you my little room. It's made like in a traditional design, featuring lots of woods and the stone. The floor is completely stoned. I absolutely love this window, and it hasn't got any glass. Look at that. Once you open the window, you can see the mountain view. On the left side you have an area for your washing, the shower and toilets in a separate room, wardrobe, mini bar, and I vacated this space for my equipment. And this is the room. Look at that. It's so bright and so airy and spacious. It has another window, so I can easily open it and I can enjoy working here. I spent so much time under this little desk enjoying that view. But at night I can go to the terrace and I can sit and chill here. I also can do some yoga. I was just sitting and gazed at the sky, at the stars, because at night it's very dark. The hotel is only 27 rooms, 400% has an individual approach. The best bungalows are located on the beach, and believe me or not, but you just have a direct access to the sea. It's so close that you can literally jump and be on the sea. It's very, very beautiful. That's one of my favorite parts. Each bungalow is equipped with the desk where you can work, hammock where you can chill, sun lounges where you can suntan, and even little swimming pools over there. And the best thing, of course, is the beach, is the ocean, is the sea where you can go directly. This is the fantastic place, Aleenta Hua Hin. It's so picturesque here. You can't have enough of listening the waves of the ocean and enjoying the fresh sea breeze. The palms gives this tropical feel, and you can order fresh coconut water from the restaurant, and the menu at the restaurant is super healthy. You can get like keto diet, you can get vegan food, you can get raw vegan food, you can get fresh seafood, meat if you want some steak, or like European Thai. The bungalows are located just next to the beach. It's the first line, so you have a direct access to the seaside. The reception is lovely, and it's open air here. If you want, you can ride the bicycle, and you can go and have a ride across the cycle route. Cycle path goes directly to the fishing village and beautiful temples and organic farm. One of the most exciting things for me to talk about Aleenta Hua Hin is that the hotel is sustainable friendly. The other good thing about the resort is that they don't use any plastic, and even the straws for drinks they made from sugarcane, which is a great alternative to both plastic and paper straws. The best thing about the breakfast area is actually the swimming pool. Infinity swimming pool with the view over the ocean. It's quite busy at the restaurant. It's breakfast time, so I don't want to disturb guests over there, but instead I'm gonna go and show you the spa area, because the spa area has an amazing view. Look at the view from the pool area, from the breakfast area. You can see the ocean, the palms, the bungalows that are made in authentic beach style huts. This is the spa area. It's got beautiful it's got some massage tables where you can enjoy your massage, and the best part of the spa is the view. Let me show you. So these windows are opening, and from the spa you have just an amazing view. I totally recommend you guys to come and stay at the small luxury hotel Aleenta Hua Hin in Thailand to relax and unwind with the sea view and the sound of the waves. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, because I publish more content about my travels in Asia. Thank you so much for watching. There are gonna be much more videos, so tune up and comment what you would like to see in the next one. See you, bye.